Hello students, in today's lecture I will discuss about probabilistic reasoning by using Bayesian network. Bayesian network is also called as Bayes belief network, decision network or Bayesian model. Bayesian belief network is key computer technology for dealing with probabilistic events and to solve the problem which has uncertainty. A Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model which represents a set of variables and their conditional dependencies using a directed acyclic graph. Bayesian networks are probabilistic because these networks are built from a probability distribution and also uses probability theory for prediction and anomaly detection. So what is happening whenever we are dealing with uncertainty, in that cases we are applying the theory of probability, and the Bayesian network is one technique through which we can do reasoning or we can perform reasoning in uncertainty. Now there are so many applications of Bayesian network. Real world applications are probabilistic in nature, and to represent the relationship between multiple events we need a Bayesian network. Now the applications can be in prediction, in anomaly detection, in diagnostics, in reasoning, in time series prediction, and in decision making under uncertainty. So whenever we are dealing with Bayesian network, we have to deal with two things. First is directed acyclic graph, and second is table of conditional probabilities. Bayesian networks can be used for building models from data and experts' opinion, and it consists of two parts. First is directed acyclic graph and second is table of conditional probabilities. The generalized form of Bayesian network that represents and solve decision problems under uncertain knowledge is called as influence diagram. So the network of Bayesian that we are drawing in whenever any problem we are solving, then the diagram is called as influence diagram. A Bayesian network graph is made up of nodes and arcs. Here each node corresponds to the random variable, and a variable can be continuous or discrete. Second is arc or directed arrows represents the causal relationship or conditional probabilities between random variables. These directed links or arrows connect the pair of nodes in the graph. These links represents that one node directly influences the other node, and if there is no directed link, that means that nodes are independent with each other. So what is happening, we are drawing a kind of influence diagram, and in that diagram we are having nodes and we are having the edges, which we are calling it as arc or directed arrows. So this is the diagram of Bayesian network, and in this diagram we can see that A, B, C, D are the nodes, and these nodes are connected through some arcs. In the above influence diagram, A, C, D are random variables represented by the nodes of network graph. If we are considering node B, which is connected with node A by a directed arrow, then node A is called the parent of node B. So in this case, the parent of node B is node A, and certainly the probability of this variable is affected by its parent, which is the node A. Node C is independent of node A. Each node in Bayesian network has conditional probability distribution, and which can be represented as Pxi, parent xi, which determines the effect of the parent on that node. Now here we are taking one example of Bayesian network. Harry installed a new burglar alarm at his home to detect burglary. The alarm reliably responds at detecting a burglary, but also responds for minor earthquakes. Harry has two neighbors, David and Sophia, who have taken a responsibility to inform Harry at work when they hear the alarm. David always calls Harry when he hears the alarm, but sometimes he got confused with the phone ringing and calls at that time too. On the other hand, Sophia likes to listen to high music, so sometimes she misses to hear the alarm. Here, we would like to compute the probability of burglary alarm. So, we have to solve the problem, and for that we have to draw the influence diagram. And in influence diagram we are having 5 random variables. First is burglary, which is represented by B. Second is earthquake, which is represented by E. Alarm represented by A. David calls represented by D, and Sophia calls represented by D. So here is the influence diagram of the Bayesian network, and in this diagram each node is having the probabilities, and the variables which are independent, in that case the probability is called as observed probability. And when the variables are dependent, for example, the random variable alarm is affected by burglary as well as it is affected by earthquake. So in this case the probability distribution is called as, is represented by using additional probability. So these probabilities are given to you in the question. For example, the probability of burglary and earthquake components, their probability in case of burglary, when the condition is true, is 0.02. In case of false, it is 0.998. In case of earthquake, it is 0.01 when the condition is true, and when the condition is false, it is 0.999. Further, the conditional probabilities are also given for the alarm A, which depends on the burglar and the earthquake. So these are the probability distribution, and what we have to calculate, we have to calculate probability that alarm has sounded but there is neither burglary nor an earthquake occurred, and David and Sophia both called the Harry. So the thing which is given here, that is, I calculate the probability, is represented by using the statement in which we are representing Sophia calls as S, we are representing David calls as D, along with D, along with A, and here in the question it is given that there is neither a burglary has happened nor an earthquake has occurred. So in this case we are representing B as negation B and E as negation A. So we are solving this equation, and the probabilities are already given in the table, and finally we are computing the probability value. Now this formula is based on joint probability distribution, and it can be represented as probability as A into probability dA into probability A BE into probability of negative B into probability of negative E. So these are the values we have to compute, and finally we are getting 0.00068,045. Hence, a Bayesian network can answer any query about the domain by using distribution. So this is all about today's lecture.